Isaac Newton is considered the father of modern science. He was an English physicist and mathematician. Before 30, he formulated the basic laws of mechanics, discovered the universal law of gravitation, and invented calculus. What caused that apple to fall? The net force is the sum of all forces acting on an object.
Forces that combine to produce a net force of zero are known as balanced forces. There is no change in motion.
An unbalanced force results when the net force acting on an object is anything other than zero.
Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist a change in its motion. Any object that has mass has inertia. The greater the mass, the greater the inertia, and vice versa.
Newton's first law of motion says that an object in motion will stay in motion, and an object in rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an external force. Nerd!
Orange was originally at rest. The force of Tom rolling the orange caused it to accelerate. The orange began to slow due to friction. Friction is the resistance objects encounter when they move past each other.
Alright. Newton's second law of motion states that acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object, the greater amount of force required to move it.
The book does not have a lot of mass, and therefore does not take a lot of force to move it. The building has much more mass, so it takes more force to move it.
Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
When the ball hits the ground, the ball applies a force on the ground. The ground then applies an equal force on the ball, causing it to bounce upward.